Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the half double crochet spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. You will need to know how to make chains for this tutorial and how to make the half double crochet stitch, and I will have those listed down below. I do already have a tutorial on the single crochet spike stitch, and I will also have that listed down below. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. I made regular single crochet stitches for the body of my test swatch. I do recommend using single crochet stitches when using spike stitches. The reason being, if you use taller stitches than that, they end up bunching up under your work and it can end up looking wavy or weird. On the row that I'm currently working, I have made 2 chains over here and then 1 regular half double crochet stitch in the first stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and make my first half double crochet spike stitch. You're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're then going to insert your hook underneath the next stitch that you would work. You would normally work right into here. You're going to be working anywhere underneath it, and that's where you're going to end up putting your spike. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and insert my hook right here. And then at the back of my work, I'm going to grab that yarn that I'm working with, and I'm going to pull it through that stitch. Then I'm going to loosely pull it all the way up my work to the row that I'm currently working. I'm then going to yarn over, and I'm going to complete it just like a regular half double crochet stitch, and I'm going to pull that yarn through all 3 loops on my hook. That's going to be 1 half double crochet spike stitch made. In between these spike stitches, I'm just working regular half double crochet stitches. So again, if I want to make another spike stitch, I'm going to go ahead and yarn over my hook. I'm going to insert my hook anywhere below this next stitch that I would normally work into. So I'm going to go anywhere down here. And I'm going to go ahead and work right into here. I'm going to grab that yarn behind my work and I'm going to pull it through that stitch, and I'm going to pull it loosely up to the top of my work. I'm then going to yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops on my hook. Okay. So I'm going to make another spike stitch, and I can work anywhere below this next stitch right here. I'm going to go all the way down here. I'm going to insert my hook towards the back of my work, and I'm going to grab that yarn that I am working with. I'm going to pull it through towards the front of my work. I'm then going to loosely pull it all the way up to the row that I'm currently working. I'm going to yarn over my hook and pull it through all 3 loops on my hook. And that's how those spikes are going to look so far. All right, again, I'm going to work a spike underneath this next stitch right here, anywhere down here. I'm going to make a really long one. I think I'm going to go all the way down here. I'm going to grab that yarn from behind my work, and I'm going to pull it through. I'm then going to loosely pull it all the way up. You don't want to have tight tension on these because you can see how this work can start bunching up underneath. You don't want that to happen, so you definitely want to loosely pull when making the spikes. And then I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on my hook. Okay. I'm going to make a regular half double on the next one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and make another spike in this stitch. I've already done a yarn over on my hook, and I'm going to insert my hook down here. I'm going to grab that yarn from behind my work, and I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to loosely pull it all the way up to the row that I'm currently working. I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, I'm going to make a regular half double in this stitch right here next to it. Again, start with a yarn over, insert your hook anywhere below this next stitch. Go right into here. Grab that yarn from behind, you're going to pull it through your work, through that stitch. Loosely pull it all the way up towards the top of your work. Grab that yarn, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Again, you would insert your hook anywhere below this stitch right here. Grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through that stitch, pull it all the way up to the top of your work. yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'm going to do a regular half double in this last stitch right here. Okay, and that is going to be how to make the half double crochet spike stitch. The back of your work is going to match the front of your work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.